Imagine a world without paper. No books, no newspapers, no paper money. It's hard to fathom, isn't it? Paper, the silent carrier of our thoughts, dreams and history, has played a crucial role in the evolution of human civilization. Today we traverse the annals of time to explore the fascinating history of this humble yet transformative invention. The story of paper begins in ancient Egypt, around 5,000 years ago, but not with paper as we know it. Egyptians crafted a form of paper called papyrus from the tall reed-like plant of the same name. This papyrus served as a writing surface, immortalizing the thoughts and records of the ancient world. Fast forward to the 2nd century BC, the Han dynasty in China introduced the world to a new form of paper. Made from mulberry bark, hemp, rags and fishnets, it was lightweight, durable and easy to produce. The invention of paper, as we know it, revolutionized the way information was recorded and disseminated, leading to a significant leap in literacy rates and cultural exchange. The art of papermaking remained a closely guarded secret in China for many centuries. It was only in the 8th century AD, after a war with the Tang dynasty, that the Arabs learned the craft. They improved the process by introducing linen, making the paper finer and smoother. This newfound knowledge spread across the Middle East and into Europe, setting off a ripple effect that would change the world forever. By the late Middle Ages, around the 14th century, Europe had fully embraced paper. The invention of the movable type printing press by Johannes Gutenberg in the 15th century, which was more compatible with paper than with the previously used parchment, sparked a cultural revolution. Knowledge became more accessible and literacy rates soared. The era of mass communication had begun. The Industrial Revolution in the 18th century saw yet another transformation in the world of paper. The invention of the paper machine by Nicolas Louis Robert in France led to the mass production of paper, making it cheaper and more accessible than ever before. This shift from handcrafted to machine-made paper marked the dawn of the modern paper industry. In the 20th century, concerns about deforestation led to the development of recycled paper. This innovation mirrored the growing global consciousness towards sustainable and environmentally friendly practices. So, to sum up, the journey of paper is a tale of human ingenuity and adaptability. From the papyrus of ancient Egypt to the mulberry bark paper of China, from the linen-infused paper of the Arabs to the mass-produced paper of the Industrial Revolution, and finally to the recycled paper of the modern era, each chapter of paper's history reflects a stride in human civilization. Indeed, the history of paper is not just about a material, it's a narrative of how we, as a species, have strived to communicate, to express and to record. It's a testament to our relentless quest for knowledge and our constant drive to connect and share. As we turn the page to a more digital future, let us not forget the humble sheet of paper that carried our past into the present.